Hello, Barry Winbott. I've got a quick tip for you on how to bring about change in your life. Anytime you want to change something in yourself, change a new habit, develop a new habit, a new skill, always go towards what it is you're trying to achieve. I found this out many years ago when I was trying to give up smoking. It's not about stopping something, it's about becoming something new. I needed to become a non smoker. The moment I got it through my head that I wanted to become a non smoker, it was easy. What do non smokers do? How do they dress? How do they smell? What do they have in their pockets when they leave their house? Who do they hang around with? How do they spend their spare time? What do they do during their breaks during the day? Once I knew all that stuff, and of course I knew it already, once I put that image together in my mind, becoming a non smoker was relatively easy. Whether you want to become a vegan, take up running, get to the gym more often, sleep better, whatever it happens to be, if you want to bring about personal change in your life, always aim for what it is you want. And that means you have to start by creating a vision. As Einstein said, it always starts in the imagination, or words to that effect. There you go. All the best. If you've got any ideas about stuff you'd like me to talk about on these quick videos, just send me an email or fill in the comments box below, and I'll do what I can. All the best, and over to you.